The Earth is a place of awe-inspiring power. Volcanoes erupt, spewing molten rock. Hurricanes rage across oceans, leaving devastation in their wake. Wildfires consume vast swathes of land, fueled by drought and lightning strikes. But what if these disasters were not so random? Imagine a world where the skies themselves could be weaponized, where the fury of a hurricane could be directed towards an enemy's shores, where droughts could cripple nations and floods could redraw maps. The idea of controlling the weather is not new. For centuries, humans have sought to influence the skies. Have we crossed the threshold from wishful thinking to wielding the power of the gods? The question is no longer whether we can influence the weather, but whether we have the wisdom to control it. The desire to control the weather is as old as civilization itself. Ancient cultures performed rituals and sacrifices, hoping to appease the rain gods. Today, we rely on science. Cloud seeding, for example, has been used for decades to increase rainfall in drought-stricken areas. The process involves dispersing particles, often silver iodide, into clouds, promoting the formation of ice crystals or raindrops. While cloud seeding is primarily used for beneficial purposes, the potential for its misuse is undeniable. Could a nation with advanced cloud seeding technology create devastating floods in enemy territory? Then there's HAARP, a research facility in Alaska, which used powerful radio waves to study the Earth's ionosphere. While officially for scientific research, conspiracy theories abound about HAARP's potential as a weather weapon, fueling speculation and raising uncomfortable questions about the potential for weaponizing the weather. History is replete with examples of improbable weather events that have altered the course of battles and empires. Some point to these events as evidence of weather manipulation, even in ancient times. Consider the Spanish Armada of 1588. King Philip II of Spain sent a massive fleet to invade England, but storms scattered and destroyed the ships. Was this divine intervention, as the English believed, or could there have been other forces at play? Fast forward to the Vietnam War, where Operation Popeye, a US military program, sought to extend the monsoon season, disrupting enemy supply lines. The program, declassified in the 1970s, involved cloud seeding to increase rainfall. More recently, the increasing frequency and intensity of extreme weather events have fueled speculation about possible human involvement. Are these events solely the result of climate change, or could other factors be contributing to their severity? While concrete evidence of weather warfare remains elusive, the possibility, however remote, is deeply unsettling. The science behind weather modification is complex and still not fully understood. The atmosphere is a chaotic system with countless variables influencing weather patterns. To control the weather would require an almost unimaginable level of technological sophistication. Cloud seeding can only enhance existing cloud formations, not create them from scratch. And while HAARP's powerful radio waves could potentially influence the ionosphere, the extent to which this could affect weather patterns on the ground is highly debatable. Creating a hurricane, earthquake, or drought of specific magnitude and targeting it to a precise location would be a monumental task, fraught with uncertainty. Despite the scientific challenges, the pursuit of weather control technologies continues. Research into geoengineering explores large-scale interventions in the Earth's climate system to mitigate the effects of climate change. As our understanding of the Earth's climate system grows, so too does our potential to manipulate it, for good or for evil. The question of who might control such powerful technology, if it indeed exists, is as unsettling as the technology itself. Would it be nation-states vying for military superiority? Or could powerful corporations or individuals hold the reins of the storm, using weather control for economic gain or political manipulation? Imagine a world where droughts could be manufactured to drive up commodity prices, or hurricanes steered to devastate competitors' infrastructure. The potential for abuse is vast and deeply troubling. The very nature of weather warfare, with its potential for plausible deniability, makes it difficult to detect, let alone control. Without clear regulations and oversight, the potential for accidents, miscalculations, and outright abuse is significant. The future of our planet, and perhaps even our survival, may depend on our ability to answer these questions wisely and decisively.